In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb on your 2011 to 2017 Hyundai Accent hatchback. So open the hatch, we're going to take those 4 screws off, and for the first 3 screws you can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench. I would just use a screwdriver to keep the job easy and simple. So first take the first 3 screws off and then use the same screwdriver to take the 4th screw off. Now, if that black piece that's holding it in place, if that doesn't come off right away, you can get a flathead screwdriver like that and then just use a screwdriver to pry it off. It should come right off. Now, let's wiggle the tail light a little bit. And now we got to get the tail light off. So it's held on by those 2 pins over there. So wiggle the tail light a little bit and then just pull it off. It should just come right off like that. You see those 2 pins over there? They go on these 2 holes. Now first things first, let's get that wire out of that clip over there that's holding it in place. That gives us some room to maneuver around. Alright, and now the rear turn signal bulb is in that bulb holder right there. The way to get it out is easy. Just grab it and twist it left, and then the bulb holder should just come right off. The way to grab the bulb is to push it down, twist it left, and then the bulb just comes right out. Right, see that? Now those 2 tabs in the bulb holder, align them with the pins on the bulb. In the bulb goes, press it down, twist it right, and you're done. Now, to put the bulb holder back in the taillight, make sure that that big tab over there, it aligns with that slot in the taillight there. That just makes our job easy. See that? So now just put the bulb holder back. It should sit flush like that. Twist it right, and that's pretty much it. Now let's put the taillight back. First, we're gonna put those 2 pins back in place. Align the pins like that. And once it's done, just give it a little push. Clicked. Now let's just put all the 4 screws back in. One, 2, 3, and 4. Tight. That looks good. Close the hatch and let's go try it out. That looks good, right?